Hey, I'm Tytus, and this is
LiWen
from DanceInsanity, and today we're going to show you the separation in Paso Doble 5 ways. Let's get into it. First, we have our good old-fashioned run-of-the-mill separation. Upheld on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She'll just cross her feet and swivel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, 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 and forward. We're gonna add a little side surplus action. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, 5, close, 6, 7, 8. Ha! Remember your principles. Whenever you're moving around, keep your arms toned that are connected. Then all I have to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4. I just move me. 7, 8. Leader head loop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I do a separation, normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take my fingers and corkscrew them underneath. 5, 6, 7, and just do a little head loop right there. Do not body roll in the paso. That is way, way too naughty for Paso Doble. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In case you didn't notice, the footwork was the same for the leader on almost every single step.
Yes!
There was one where it went side, so otherwise it's pretty much the same old shit. Thank you for joining us for this very short tutorial on separation.
Paso Doble is my absolute favorite dance. We love coming up with new ideas on basic steps because we're all about being super creative. So subscribe to our channel. We have new videos that come out every single week. Send this video to all your Paso Doble loving friends. I'm LiWen.
Tytus.
See you in the next video.